I had another mother. We only want what's best for you.
Hey! Welcome to another video. You're with The Modern Creatures.
Unbox another gadget, we will. Yes.
Okay, I can't do this. It's so hard to talk in that thing, so I'm just gonna remove it. Hey guys, Kevin here, and welcome to another video. You're with The Modern Creatures. And as you can see, Vika and I are in full costumes. For one, there's really nowhere to go to attend any Halloween parties, so we're just staying indoors, keeping it safe. Plus, this is for an ongoing giveaway from Tech Mob. You probably heard of it. It's the Tech or Treat, and if you want to know more about it, Vika will be running down the mechanics, and there will be, I think, 11 or more prizes to be given away, courtesy of the entire Tech Mob family. So yeah, if you're interested, be sure to stick around because Vika will give you the lowdown later on. For now, we'll be doing an unboxing, and it's gonna be from Blitzwolf. It's the BW-VP8. It's a wireless projector, so we're looking forward to what it offers and what it has inside. But as always, if you enjoy videos like this one, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel because for sure, there will be more ridiculousness like this one coming up. Now that's out of the way, let's get on with the unboxing. So here it is, the BW-VP8. And to start the unboxing, we're gonna pull this tab right here, open it up, and we're introduced to a number of things. So let's first pull out the projector itself. Your user manual right there. Set it right there. And apart from that, you only have one smaller box, which I bet contains all the cables. Yep. So to begin, we have the RCA cable right here, 3.5mm jack with the RCA tip. We have a cloth for cleaning. We also have a remote control. We've got the AC cable with the 8-type tip. A VGA cable for connecting the projector to your laptop if your laptop supports a VGA. And finally, an HDMI cable for more current laptop models. So that's about it. Oh wait, there's one last thing right here. I think this is for the projector and it's for adjusting the way it's tilted up or tilted down. So we'll find out if we're gonna be able to use it later on. Put this aside first and over to the projector itself. So let's remove it from this safety thing. Remove it from the plastic and there you go. It's nice. So it's pretty light and has this kind of matte black finish. Over here you see the brand name and the buttons are all right here. You have your power button right there, navigation buttons, and I guess these are for the projector's features and probably a source button right there. And at the back we have ports for HDMI, 2 USB ports, your AV and auxiliary if you have one. And also, of course, we have the VGA port for compatible laptops. While at the front, just like with any other projector, you have a lens cap right here that pops off easily. The focus ring right here can be adjusted. So basically, how it works is it can be connected through wired connectivity. As we've mentioned earlier, you have your VGA and HDMI cable right here. And you have this, you have the RCA for audio. But the highlight of this projector is that it's capable of wireless pairing, meaning you can connect your phone or I guess your laptop, we'll have to try that out. Connect your device to this projector and cast images, cast videos, PowerPoint presentations, and all that. Plus later on, we'll show you how it works, like the basic setup and all that. In addition to the Blitzwolf wireless projector, we were also sent this, the VS2, which is basically an HD projection screen. This is also by Blitzwolf and it's made of PVC, it says here at the back. And it has a scale of 16:9 ratio, meaning it's widescreen. So let's, okay. Alright, so I think this needs a bit of installing because you have those double adhesive hooks right here 2 packs of those. And you have a pair of strings to stretch the cloth. And you have these holes for the hooks. So it goes in there. So yeah, we'll set this up nicely and show you guys how it looks later on. For our full review, I mean. But basically, it's... Do you see it? Do you see it? But yeah, we'll show you the entire thing when it's fully set up. So be sure to check that out. What else do we have here? You have the user manual for installation. Okay, looks pretty easy. And you have this little QR code. So again, as a quick recap, we have the Blitzwolf wireless projector right here, the remote control, cables for connectivity, and as for the projection screen, we have a couple of strings, some double adhesive hooks, and this PVC made material. What we're gonna do is we're gonna set this up and check out the features, especially the wireless features. We're casting from a phone and all that. So yeah, stick around for the full review. So basically, that's about it for this unboxing. We're gonna give our full thoughts about it in our full review, so stay tuned for that. But now here's Vika to give you the lowdown for the Tech or Treat Halloween giveaway. Yoda, out.
Hey guys, Vika here, and first things first, I want to wish you all a happy Halloween. If you hadn't guessed it, I am Coraline from the book or movie Coraline, but I got buttons sewed into my eyes because the other mother got to me. Alright, for the real reason why you guys are still here, we're gonna talk about our great giveaway by the Tech Mob family called Tech or Treat. As Kevin said earlier, there are 11 prizes to be given away by the members of the Tech Mob family. And to get a chance to win one of these prizes, you first have to subscribe to all of the 11 channels, including ours. We'll leave a link to the full list down below. Next, you have to find and like their Halloween videos and leave a comment with your Instagram handle and the hashtags #TechMob and #TechOrTreat. After that, there's nothing more. That's all there is to it. It's that easy to join, guys, so there's no reason for you not to. And that's about it for this special Halloween videos. Did you guys like this costume gimmick that we did? If you do, let us know. And if you want to see more of these crazy things from us here at The Modern Creatures, leave a comment, leave a suggestion, talk to us. Anything you want, just let us know in the comment section below. And as always, please do visit our website and our other social media channels for more news, features, and reviews. Once again, it's Coraline and Yoda wishing you a happy Halloween. See you in the next video, guys.